As our understanding, Tzu Chi is an organization for the, let's say, a charity and, let's say, medicine, education, and humanistic culture. There are four objections in Tzu Chi. Maybe Soren just visited Tzu Chi last month, and you know we are doing many efforts in these four directions worldwide. Okay, not just in Taiwan. Actually, for such four directions, there are still some job for us to do, like international relief, like bone marrow donation, or environmental protection, community volunteer. As you can see that inside the so-called environment protection. So this is to respond to your question, why Tzu Chi is doing a lot of job in environment protection. For Tzu Chi, actually, this is it. For the environment protection it's an essential job, essential work. It's not just we are talking about priority. Actually, this is a kind of importance. It's not just the priority in Tzu Chi. So we have many volunteers worldwide, including Taiwan. I think mostly the major what we are doing the environment protection is in I think it's in Taiwan that we have a lot of people involved in such job like the collecting the obey and differentiate and as you know that we have investment in a company called Da technology, who is producing when people collecting the bottle, PE bottle,
plastic bottles.
Plastic bottle, right? And coming back, and then that will be cleaning, will be collecting to the a factory for manufacturing the clothes, the blanket, some other products for doing the, this, a lot of products is presented outside of the, there's a room is presented this factory they are doing. As our master, Chen Yan, is used to say, time is, of course, it's too late, but we have to concentrate and emphasize every second to try to, do more for this planet. So in Tzu Chi, we used to say, the Master Zhenyan used to say, maybe to practice one day not to eat. Eating. When you eat, not too much, maybe just 70% or 80%, that's enough. You save 20% for the other person. You save 20%, you can give, you can donate to the other person. wish it. Of course, Tzu Chi understand. So this is the reason why Tzu Chi, our master Zhen Yan, asked our sister, our brother, to do the basic job. That is the fundamental working. Even they encourage us, that we have to do our basic job is to help people. But how to help people? Because right now, as you see, why COP21? Because the climate change so quickly. And climate change can cause the disaster, right? A lot of disaster, and can also affect the people's health. So the Master Zhen Yan asked teachers to do the fundamental job, to protect your environment. So that in the other way, she is also try to teach us and taught us to be a vegetarian. Why? Because the CO2 issue. A lot of animal feeding, like you have sheep, cow, beef. People eating too much of the beef. As you can see from the analyst figure, that you can see 1 kilo of beef produce how many CO2? Maybe 37 CO2. It's quite potentially. I mean, the 1 kilo beef is maybe yearly that could accumulate 37 CO2. So from the priority, maybe those big animal is caused affected the weather changing is key factor, right? So this is the reason Master Zhen Yan asked to help to be a vegetarian is try to reduce the CO2 produced.
Okay.
And this kind of, I think for this kind of factor can also improve if more and more people, but right now in terms of the vegetarian or non-vegetarian, that the amount is so big difference. So maybe we have a lot of room for improve.